guy's still here. You saw him, this is on the next day, on Wednesday. The first two clips I shot on Tuesday, so he was sitting here, came with an escort, holding some kind of a wing or a tail assembly, and it's a very weird looking old trailer, very low, and the deck is very thin, just two axles, and they open. And I saw he was using a motor like this. There's like a lid in the gooseneck, and so it's a hydraulic, but he has a small motor that operates the hydraulic. But a great looking truck, yeah. Lots of guys like these, and yeah, you don't see them often. So it's a Freightliner Argosy. I think I saw a Quebec license plate, so he's from French-speaking Quebec. Yeah, I'm shooting from inside the truck. Sorry for the. It's the sun is right opposite the truck, so it reflects off the my windshield. And I saw the driver standing outside and looking impatiently to my right, to the entrance from the truck stop. So clearly he's waiting for his escort. It was a pickup truck yesterday, so the escort is late for some reason. And right behind him you see the trucks passing. That's I-390. So this is Dansville, New York.